Hello everyone. This time I will teach you how to reset your cell phone or this model. This is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro. So for just example, if you have a problem with your system, sometimes it's hung up or sometimes the memory is full, you need to reset your phone. So how to do is uh, just enter your unlock code, and this model is Redmi Note 9 Pro. So if you have a problem with the software, first time, if you don't want to erase your file, photos, contacts, first you have to make a copy before you do this so that you can restore it later. So maybe you have to go here to reset, about phone, you go to factory reset, then erase all, enter your unlock code, just wait a seconds, next, so it says here, make sure your important items are backed up to your computer. All data on this device will be erased during the reset. So if you don't want to lose your file, you can back up it to your computer so that you can restore it later when after the reset of the cell phone. So if you already back up your data, or if you don't want to back up your data, just click OK here. Okay, and you have to wait. So the phone is already reset, so all the data in the phone already erased. So just only you have to wait. Mostly I do this one if the phone is have a problem with the system, or for virus, or some application not load or not working, I will do this. So now it's finished. Just only follow this step to set up your new phone. If you want, this is from the Spain, so Spanish, I have to change it in English. Okay, so you can skip this one. You can also skip this. Maybe you can do it later when you want to connect the internet. So click more, accept. So this one you can put it later, so I will skip. Next, then next. So setup complete. You have to wait while loading the apps. Then after this, yeah, now the phone is ready to use again. Okay, that's it. The phone is already reset. So no more pin code, no more Gmail account. So if you back up your file, you can restore it later. So this is an Redmi Note 9 Pro. So I hope liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.